Let's discuss how to install MD++ on macOS. So there are some prerequisites. One is XCODE has to be installed and updated, and I press XCODE on my Spotlight and I see my XCODE is being updated. Now I install xclock using this Ruby command and I enter my password for my account. Later the homebrew will start installing and updating, so you should have some patience. It will take some time. Now do Google search MD++ and go to the first website link, and you can see all the documentation for the MD++. So I go to the examples, you can see different things. So running MD++ on macOS, there is an instruction, and I go to introduction to MD++. So there are few commands: make directory codes, cd codes, then extract the tar file, then do make all system equals to mac build equals to r. So all the instructions are given. So please go through this if you have any questions on the website. So now I go and do the git clone so that I can install the tar file from the GitHub. So I clone my md++ mdpp.git into md++ folder. Now I go to the md++ folder. In the md++ folder, you can see there are different directories. So the directory are represented by D. So there are like scripts, tools, source, and all the different directories. Now I go to the scripts folder. You can see there are different folders. So this is where you write the MD scripts. I go to the CSD-book, which has examples. So I go to chapter 3. In section 3.1, I see there are two scripts to build edge and screw dislocations in Tantalum. And I open the screw script. So if you see, this is a shell script. So you create a single screw dislocation, and your output will be saved in runs / folder ta-screw, and I read the potential ta_port, which is a finnis-Sinclair potential. So I have created the perfect, and now I introduce the dislocation. So in the documentation there are instructions on how to do this. So we use make dislocation command to make the dislocation, and we give all the lattice constant, Burgers vector, line direction, and there is conjugate gradient method which does the relaxation. So I go outside, I go back to the MD++ folder. Now I go to the bin folder. So in the bin folder, the executables will be there. So you can see fs_mac. So this is a Mac system. And now I press bin/fs_mac. Then I press scripts CSD-book chapter 3 section 3.1 ta-screw.script. Now this is to run the script. So after running the script, you can see that the output is generated, and you can see there is a screw dislocation, and you can move the visualization to see how the screw is created. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel.